I'm wrapping up this book recommendation series with a Fast and Furious, just going through a bunch of books. So here we go. First one, Driven by Data 2.0. Excellent book if you work with teachers and teams on data. One thing that I'll say about this that I have learned is if a team does not have a good structure, like if there's not a good solid PLC already in place, you're not ready for this book yet to work with that team. But this is a step-by-step protocol, exactly how to do data with teams. Love it. The next one, The Writing Revolution. This one is excellent. All content areas, all grade levels. I currently coach high school. I would use this with elementary as well. It goes through the premise is that kids can't write like essays and things because they can't write good sentences, good solid sentences to start with. It is a dream to go through step by step how to write, how to get students writing. All right, next couple are math specific. So this is one I read this one as a classroom teacher, Number Talks. Just excellent for developing number sense with students. Again, it's geared for elementary on this particular one. I would use it for high school as well. I'm going to put these two together. Visible Learning by John Hattie. If you are not familiar with his research, get familiar with it. He has several different books, one for each content area and one that's overall visible learning. But this one is visible learning for mathematics. This is visible learning for literacy. These are research-based strategies on what makes a difference in learning for students. Excellent. All right, last one, and I'm missing one of these, but anything by Kelly Gallagher. My high school English friends have shown me the way. So with them, there is so much excellent content in here that would work, again, for elementary or high school. Just really good stuff. So I have just thrown a whole lot at you to wrap up this series. I think the last one that I'm going to do tomorrow is the books that I'm looking forward to reading next.